Hi all, today we are going to see about cash application process. So what is cash application? Cash application is the process of applying income payments to the appropriate customer accounts in an accurate and timely manner. In simple terms, we can say it is a process of matching the payment received from customers to the invoicing or outstanding balances they are intended for. Cash application is a process. So process outflow here. What they are saying is cash application is the process of matching a payment from the customer, which the corresponding invoice is being paid. The main elements of cash applications are payment, remittance, invoice. Payment. The payment funds transferred from the buyer to the supplier, and remittance. The remittance advice the data that describes why a payment is being made. Invoice. The invoice is original bill that prompted to the payment to be made. So, what is cash application? Cash application involves verifying the payment details such as amount and the customer accounts information. So, and then it will record and allocate payment accordingly. This process helps maintain accurate and up-to-date financial records and allow for effective management for cash flow within a business. For instance, in B2B environment, let's consider the scenario where the Penta Corporation purchases goods on credit from ABC Corporation. They are doing credit purchase here. So ABC Corporation delivered the goods or services to Penta Corporation last month on credit. As part of the credit purchase, ABC Corporation provided an invoice which serves the original bill for the payment. Now suppose Penta Corporation submits a payment today along with their remittance. A cash application specialist utilizes the remittance advice to determine which invoice are being paid using the funds transferred by the buyer. Considering Penta Corporation's regular credit purchases, let's delve deeper into cash application process flow to understand how it operates and the challenges associated with it. So here, Penta Corporation is purchasing doing credit purchase from ABC Corporation. So and ABC Corporation delivering goods and services to the Penta Corporation last month on credit. So in that credit purchase, so ABC Corporation providing invoice and what are all the bills and transactions are there, they are providing through bill for the payment. Now, Penta Corporation should submit the payment to the ABC Corporation with the remittance. So here, cash application specialist utilizing the remittance which to determine which invoices are being paid for the funds transferred by the buyer. So here, Penta Corporation regular credit purchase, and so here we can see about the cash application process steps involved. So what are all the steps involved? Payments and remittance payments and remittance aggregation. Payment from customer comes with a remittance advice indicating which invoices the payment is for. Payments can be made through checks or electronic methods such as ACH, credit cards, SEPA, BACS, etc. With remittances, BACS, etc. With remittances sent separately through email, EDI, or AP portals. Remittance slip list invoice numbers, dates, and relevant information, including discounts taken by the customer. So, payment and remittance aggregation. Payment from customer will comes from the remittance advice, including invoice the payment is for. So the payments they can do the payments through electronic methods like ACH or credit cards or SEPA and BCS, BACS, etc. They can pay with the remittance. So after paying that payment from remittances, they should send separately through email or EDA or AP portals. So that remittance slip list invoice so it will list invoice numbers, dates, relevant information, including discounts taken by the customer. Invoice matching and deduction coding. Once the payment is received, cash application analysts proceed to match the payments with their corresponding open invoices. However, even with the remittance attached, this process can be complex. It is possible that a single payment may cover multiple invoices or not precisely match the amount of any invoice due to factors such as short payments, discounts, or issues related to the order. In such cases, the accounts receivable team investigate further to ensure accurate allocation and resolution. So, second point, invoice matching and deduction coding. So once the payment is received, cash application analysts start with the proceed with the matching the payments and open invoicing. So they will check the remittance attached. So after that they will start the process as per the complex. So if it is possible that single payment may cover multiple invoices or precisely match the amount of any invoice due to factors like such as short payment, discount or issues related to the order. So the accounts receivable team will investigate. So if it is going with a single payment and it is covering all multiple invoices or like match the amount of any invoice due like short payments, discounts or issues related to the order. So in such cases the accounts receivable team will investigate to further ensure what are all the resolutions are there, they can process as per the allocation and resolution to ensure accurate allocation and resolution. Cash posting to the ERP. Once the invoice matching is done, cash is applied to the ERP and open AR is closed without an integrated system. Manual posting involves Excel and ERP, risking inefficiencies and errors. So here, once the invoice matching is done, so the cash is applied to the ERP, so the AR is also closed. So without an integrating system, so the manual posting involves Excel and ERP, risking inefficiencies and errors. The cash application specialist uses the remittance data to match the payment to invoice and mark it as paid. But the wide variety of payment types and inconsistencies how remittance data is delivered make large scale of cash application major challenge. Applying cash quickly is important to allow the company to use the funds they have received, and it replenishes the credit the customer used to buy the goods. So the cash application specialist will uses the remittance data to match the payment to the invoice, and uh, so if it is paid, they will mark it as paid, and what are all the wide varieties of payment types and inconsistencies are there, they will how remittance data is delivered make large scale cash application major challenge. Applying cash quickly is important to allows the company to use the funds they have received, and it replenishes the credit the customer used to buy the goods or services that they can buy more. So after applying cash quickly is important it allows the company to use the funds they have received, and it replenishes the credit and the customer uses to buy the goods or services so that they can buy more. In recent year automation, vendors have created specialist cash application software so that they can automatically match the payment at near 100%.